guys, Dr. Andy here today. I want to give you a quick introduction and a synopsis and a really quick review of Crossover Symmetry. So Crossover Symmetry is a really cool band program that can be used for shoulder rehab. Now, I was first introduced to Crossover Symmetry in my CrossFit gym up the street. I used it somewhat sparingly, not a whole lot. It was obviously a really kind of good warm-up anytime you're doing any kind of shoulder type exercise. I was never big into it or anything like that. But I've been getting a whole lot of shoulder complaints with my patients lately. And not only that, I actually hurt my shoulder a couple of months ago, about 2.5 months ago. So I knew that I needed to do something for my shoulder and to kind of step up the game, because I had been doing some limited rehab with bands at home, and I just knew that whatever was going on in my shoulder is more complicated and need a little bit extra TLC. I'm like 90-95% sure that I in some way, shape, or form probably did some kind of partial tear to my shoulder treating a patient. Not supposed to happen, right? But anyways, I've been dealing with some shoulder pain. I've been doing some limited band work at home, and I was kind of iffy. You know, it was getting somewhat better, not too bad. But about a month ago, I ordered Crossover Symmetry because I knew it worked. I had talked to a couple of colleagues, and they were pretty excited about using Crossover Symmetry as their shoulder rehab for their patients. So I decided, what the heck, give it a whirl. And be honest, I am incredibly pleased with it. All right, Crossover Symmetry uses these really fancy bands and hooks onto the wall at your shoulder level and at your knee level. And you do a couple facing forward and a couple facing backward, and some, hooked high and some hooked low. It's 7 exercises. And I gotta be honest, I've been doing it every single day, and I have noticed a huge improvement in my shoulder stability. So I just want to let you guys know that we have introduced Crossover Symmetry in the office. I was the guinea pig. I've been beyond pleased with it, and we are looking forward to using Crossover Symmetry going forward on our patients. And I will do a couple more videos in the future just to actually show and outline those different movements that are involved in Crossover Symmetry. But at first, just let you guys know that we brought it on board, and we couldn't be happier with it. If you got any questions, send them our way. Always remember to live with passion, not pain.